5 ways to deal with brain fog. Brain fog, or clouding of consciousness, is often characterized by symptoms such as lack of concentration, trouble focusing, forgetfulness, and overall mental fatigue. Despite the turbulence it causes, mental fog can be handled in the following effective ways. Number 1. Sleep. Impaired sleep, along with poor sleep hygiene, can trigger brain fog in several ways, and so can blue light exposure before going to bed. The blue wavelengths emitted reduce melatonin synthesis, which is the hormone essential for deep REM sleep, or rapid eye movement, the sleep stage crucial for restoring memories. Sleep during hours after midnight helps detoxify the mind, whereas staying active during this time can lead to mental fogginess in the long run.
Hello guys, Diljit Dosanjh here. How you doing? I'm very much fine. You okay? Okay, very good. आज मेरा मन कर रहा था कि मैं जाके ढाबे ते छोले भटूरे खा के आऊं। ते फिर मैं सोचा मैं किथे जाऊं? लॉकडाउन में बंदा किथे जावे? पर डरने की जरूरत नहीं है अगर आपके पास दिलजीत दोसांझ और एवरेज छोले मसाले अगर आपके पास है।
Uninterrupted sleep for at least 7 to 9 hours every night improves cognitive function as well. Research suggests that sleep-deprived individuals are more prone to mental fog symptoms such as sluggishness and memory problems. Number 2. Include brain-boosting foods in your diet. Consuming a diet that includes refined carbohydrates, excess sugar, and processed meat not only triggers mood disorders, but also deprives the body of essential nutrients. Nutritional deficiencies have been closely linked to brain fog symptoms. Vitamin B12 contributes to the maintenance of the central nervous system, and if deficient, symptoms like fatigue and forgetfulness may arise. Moreover, vitamin D deficiency results in decreased cognitive function. Protein sources such as lentils and nuts improve neurotransmitter synthesis as proteins serve as building blocks in the body. Additionally, foods such as salmon, walnut, and avocado are enriched with omega-3 fatty acids, which are extremely beneficial for brain health. Number 3. Stress management. Chronic stress buildup and high stress hormone levels can trigger mental exhaustion and fatigue, leading to problems associated with focus, memory, and learning. According to neurologists, both stress and anxiety have been ranked among the top 3 causes of brain fog. High cortisol levels in the blood not only kill neurons, but also lead to premature aging in the brain and decreased synthesis of new neurons and synaptic connections between brain cells. Hence, it is imperative to manage your stress by practicing self-care, mindful meditation, relaxing techniques, and yoga. Another way to eliminate stress is by reducing exposure to stressful elements in life. Number 4. Regular exercise. Consistent physical activity boosts mental strength in numerous ways. A study conducted at the University of British Columbia reveals that regular aerobic exercise causes enlargement of the hippocampus, the brain region associated with memory and learning. Exercise also stimulates the release of growth factors, chemicals in the brain that promote better health of neurons. Additionally, physical activity increases blood flow to the brain and improves mood by reducing anxiety symptoms. According to renowned neurologists, moderately intense exercise over a period of 6 months is linked to an increased volume of brain regions such as the prefrontal cortex. Practicing mental exercises also helps with sharper mental acuity. Number 5. Stay hydrated. Brain function is closely linked to water intake, as adequate hydration enhances thinking ability and mental clarity. Water is also essential in delivering the brain-boosting nutrients to the mind and promotes detoxification in the brain. A recent study found out that dehydration alters the regulation of cerebral circulation as it increases oxidative stress, which can cause brain fog in the long run. Furthermore, neurons depend on hydration for optimal function, as these cells require a delicate electrolyte balance to work. Lack of water can disrupt the electrolyte balance, impairing the function of brain cells. It is recommended to drink at least 2 to 3 liters of water every day. We are doing our bit to educate you with these common health issues. Do your part by sharing this video with your friends and social circle. If you want us to cover a specific topic, let us know in the comment section below.